Makellos Classics is a Porsche service, sales, restoration, and custom build shop. We started as enthusiasts who just love Porsches and love finding them in as original as condition as possible. And then from there, we kind of got into the performance. You've got a lot of restoration shops and service shops. We're kind of in between the two of them. There's a lot of restoration shops out there that won't touch a car if it's not going to be a full restoration, and there's a lot of service shops that won't do, they won't do paint work. They won't kind of go that extra mile. We strive to have the guys that are able to work on these cars, that have been trained to work on these cars. And we've got Tom Mule. He is our head service technician. He does basically all of our services. He does all of our engine builds. He does all of our transmission builds. He has just around 30 years of Porsche experience. He was factory trained. He was at Pioneer Porsche, which is now San Diego Porsche, for about, I think, 28 years. Our other technician is Mark Stocka. Mark, has the same capabilities. He's been rebuilding engines, rebuild transmissions, and he has probably around 30 years of experience as well. He is a factory trained Porsche technician, and he specializes in basically everything. Jake Rousseau started on this about a little less than a year ago, and he is what we would call probably an apprentice here. So he works with Mark, and he's a good asset here because he has the quality and attention to detail that's needed in a place like this. Kevin does a little bit of everything here. The customers know him as our service advisor. He takes care of the customers. He buys the parts for the guys. He also helps Mark and Tommy here in the shop and assists them when needed. Greg Bartley, he oversees the cars from the start to the finish, and just makes sure that things are done on time, and he stays connected with the customers in that aspect. Our goal for service here is to do things right, give the customer something that they can drive and something that they love and something that's just a blast. So that's what Makellos Classics is all about, and we hope to see you here soon.